all that in the video. All right. Is it too tight? There it goes. Lift it up and check. You're probably done.
Perfect!
Did it work?
I was all by myself
Let
too.
me feel underneath. Okay, you want to tighten it back up?
Is it what?
I think so. My hands are too cold. I can't tell.
You want to tell it? Well, you want to say what this is? Or do you want me to say?
You.
This is a tool that I've never seen. It's called a battery-powered ratchet. Maybe.
Oh, you have to turn it to make it go the other way?
Yeah. And it's kind of tough.
Did you get it?
I'll hold up the tool.
What? Did you get it?
No. I didn't. It's tough with glove on.
Yeah. I know, and it's so cold out here. Put it down straight. There it is. I see it spinning.
I might need a wrench.